Welcome back everyone to my math channel. This is Mr. Mahmoud explaining course 1. This is chapter 2, lesson number 1, decimals and fractions. In this lesson we will know how to transform from decimal form into fractional form and also from fraction form to decimal form. Let me show you how. 0.6, this is decimal. It means 6/10, so it's 6 over 10, and you can divide up and down by 2. It will be 3 over 5 in simplest form. 0.45, it's 45 hundredths, so it's like 45 over 100, and we can divide up and down by 5 to give you a fraction in the simplest form is 9 over 20. 0.375, 3 digits to the right of the decimal point means 375 thousandths, means 375 over 1000, and you can divide up and down by 125. It will give you 3 over 8. Now let's solve problem A. 0.8 means 8/10, so this is 8 over 10, divide by 2 up, divide by 2 down, and this will give 4 over 5. So the answer of A is 4 over 5. Now problem B, 0.28 means 28 hundredths, so it's 28 over 100, and we can divide by 4 up, divide by 4 down, and this will give 7 over 25. So the answer of B is 7 over 25. 0.125 means 125 thousandths, so it's 125 over 1000, and we can divide by 125 up, divide by 125 down, and this will give 1 over 8. 1 over 8 is the answer of problem C. Moving on. Problem D. It takes approximately 4.65 quarts of milk to make a pound of cheese. Express this amount as a mixed number in simplest form. Mixed number in simplest form because it has 4 as a whole and we have 0.65. So 4.65, leave the 4 as a whole, make a fraction for 0.65. 0.65 means 65 hundredths, so it's like 65 over 100. Now we can divide by 5 up, divide by 5 down, also leave the 4 as is, it's a whole number, and 65 divided by 5 will give you 13, 100 divided by 5 will give you 20. So 4.65 as a mixed number is 4 and 13 over 20. Moving on. Now can we do the converse? Can we transform from a fraction form into a decimal form? Of course we can, but we need to make sure that the denominator is always 10 or 100 or 1000, 10,000, and so on. If we can make this, if we can transform the denominators, all denominators like 5, 25, 250, all of them will be 10 or 100 or 1000, it will be easy to transform into decimal. And let's see the first one, 3 over 5. It's easy to multiply 5 by 2 to make 10 in the denominator, so multiply up by 2 as well. So this will be 6 over 10. 6 over 10 means 6/10 means 0.6. So for the problem E, it's 0.6. Now for problem F, 14 over 25. If you multiply up by 4, down by 4, of course I have chosen 4 because 25 times 4 will give you 100. So we can transform into decimal. 25 by 4 is 100. 14 times 4 is 56. 56 over 100 means 56 hundredths, so 0.56. Now for the 250, if we multiply up by 4, down by 4, so 250 multiplied by 4 will give you 1000. 102 times 4 will give you 408. So 408 over 1000 means 408 thousandths, so it's 0.408. By this, my dear students, we come to the end of our lesson for today. Till we meet again, goodbye.